Hi, I'm Rothschilds. Today I'm going to show you two really quick and easy techniques you can use to dry short man's haircut to show off texture and a little bit of shape. We'll be using the Sojourn Wet and Dry Volume Gel. So first of all, this is the 150ml size. That's all you need. So I'm just placing this through the hair, distributing it evenly, and then combing through it. This is an amazing product. We're having some fantastic results with this one. So the first technique I'm going to show you is so simple. So we've distributed that gel all the way through, and using a wide tooth comb, I'm just going to bend my model's head down and show you. We're going to create some S shapes on that top section. Basically, that's it. You just leave it to dry in that position. You can put a bit of hairspray on. As that completely dries, a really, really nice S-shaped effect, which I think is really cool. So, we're not going to leave it like that. The next technique that I'm going to show you is a diffusing technique. So we've got all that Sojourn wet dry product all the way through. I'm going to squeeze the hair. Now, when you're diffusing, I believe that you need to have a really, really good base to work from. So it's a combination of having the hair wet enough. So I'm spraying a little bit more water in there. And I'm just going to put a touch more product in as well of the Sojourn wet dry volume gel. Again, it's just in the preparation, just combing through, squeezing that product into the hair. And now we're ready for the diffuser. So the diffuser, if you don't know, stops the wind that comes out from the hairdryer. So if I turn the hairdryer on, lots of wind comes out of here, and this stops all that but just keeps the heat coming out. That way I'm able to get a really, really nice effect, heat the hair, dry the hair without having the wind blow it into a different style. The best way to dry the hair with a diffuser is to not rub the hair. Back in the 80s, when diffusers were a massive thing, a lot of people would rub in the hair and this just caused frizz. But nowadays we just keep it nice in the one position without rubbing the hair and just working through. The great thing about diffusing that it will expose every single bend, curl, wave in the hair. Even on the straightest of hair, you can turn it into much more of a bendable shape just by using the diffuser and the correct product. So again, to recap, today we've used the Sojourn Wet Dry Volume mixed with water, comb through, and the diffuser just to get this amazing texturized look. I've left this around 85 to 90% dry. I always do that because I feel that just that last sort of 10-15% can dry on its own, and we're not going to get the frizzy edge to it. All these products are available on my website, www.rothschilds.co.uk/shop, and or available in store. And any of my team will be happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching my channel today, and if you like what you see, please do subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.